Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Money Mastery with Momin. If you're feeling the squeeze of rising prices, trust me, you are not alone. Gas prices, groceries, rent, it feels like everything is climbing except our paychecks. And here's the truth. Traditional budgeting doesn't work in a hyperinflationary economy. So today, I'm sharing a powerful 5-step budgeting method designed specifically for unpredictable, high-inflation times. This strategy will help you stay grounded, stay prepared, and stay ahead, even when prices don't. As economist Thomas Sowell once said, "There are no solutions, there are only trade-offs." And that's exactly what smart budgeting in an inflationary world is. Choosing the right trade-offs. Let's jump in. Step 1. Establish your inflation-adjusted baseline. Forget last year's numbers. Honestly, forget last month's numbers. We need a realistic picture of today. Start with your net income, what actually lands in your account. Then, list your fixed expenses: rent, insurance, car payments, minimum debt payments. Now here's the inflation twist. Add 10 to 15% to all variable categories, like groceries, gas, household essentials. Inflation isn't waiting on you, so your budget shouldn't wait on it either. This gives you a cushion, not a restriction. It keeps next month's rising costs from catching you off guard. As Benjamin Franklin famously said, by failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. This step is your preparation. Step 2. Prioritize with the needs versus wants filter. When money tightens, every dollar must have a purpose. Go through your last 60 days of spending and label each transaction need, want. Premium streaming services, daily specialty coffees, subscription boxes, these are the first to go. Hyperinflation is not the time for set-it-and-forget-it spending. Needs get funded first. Wants get renegotiated, reduced, or cut temporarily. This isn't deprivation, it's discipline. As James Clear wrote in Atomic Habits, you do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. And cutting wants is part of the system. Step 3. Build an anti-inflation savings buffer. This is non-negotiable. Set aside 5 to 10% of your net income before you spend on anything non-essential. This buffer is your safety net when groceries jump unexpectedly or gas spikes. Keep it in a high-yield savings account. Let your money earn while you sleep. This step keeps you from falling into high-interest debt just because the price of chicken went up this week. Remember the Japanese proverb, the best time to repair the roof is when the sun is shining. Build your buffer now before you desperately need it. Step 4. Implement a dynamic spending review. This might be the most important step. Inflation changes fast. Your budget must adapt just as fast. Do a mid-month check-in around the 15th. Are you over on gas? Are groceries higher than expected? Did a bill come in higher this month? If you're over in one area, adjust immediately by reducing your flexible categories, the wants, for the rest of the month. This prevents end-of-month disasters and keeps you in control. Think of it like steering a car. You can't just set the wheel once. You make micro-adjustments to stay on the road. Step 5. Actively boost your purchasing power. This is where strategy meets creativity. Number 1. Lower your grocery bill. Always shop with a list. Use unit price to compare products. Use store loyalty programs. Batch cook and stretch meals. Avoid food waste like your budget depends on it, because it does. Number 2. Reduce energy and utility costs. Switch to LEDs. Lower your thermostat a few degrees. Sealed drafty doors and windows. Unplug idle electronics. Small changes equal real savings. Number 3. fight high-interest debt. Call your credit card company and negotiate a lower rate. Consider consolidating if it reduces interest. Every dollar saved on interest becomes a dollar that protects you from inflation. As Warren Buffett said, do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. This mindset alone can change everything. Closing message. There you have it, your 5-step hyperinflation budgeting method. 1. Adjust your budget for inflation. 2. Filter needs versus wants. 3. Build a protective savings buffer. 4. Review and adapt mid-month. 5. Actively boost your purchasing power. These steps help you stay strong, stable, and strategic, no matter how unpredictable the economy becomes. Your challenge today: start with step 1. Sit down and build your inflation-adjusted baseline. That one action could change your entire financial year. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below which step you're tackling first. And I'll leave you with this quote from Sun Tzu, The Art of War. In the midst of chaos, there is also opportunity. Inflation may be chaos, but your budget can be the opportunity. Thanks for watching, and stay financially powerful.